Hi guys, welcome to the short video about how to contact Amazon through chat. So there are a couple of reasons, of course, why you would need to contact Amazon through chat instead of a phone, but they make it always more and more difficult to get help through chat. But actually, I find it very convenient, and there are a couple of situations where you definitely want to prefer chat compared to a phone call, especially when you have time, like you're sitting in a restaurant, you're waiting for your car to be repaired. There are a lot of situations where you have some time and you can chat with Amazon, but you don't want to talk like in public about your a problem with a product. You don't want to let all the people around you know what your problems are with some very special product or so. And for me, chat has always been my preference, also because you will get some kind of transcript. I don't know if you really get it, but you can at least make some screenshots and you have something in your hand and you can send them like product numbers, and you don't have to identify you 10 times with the birth date of your grandmother and all these silly things which you have to go through when you're making a phone call with the Amazon support. So for me, it has been always much more convenient to go through the chat. But again, they make it more difficult to get through the chat. I mean, you can start chat. I mean, we are here on Amazon.com. You can invoke it. I mean, there are a couple of possibilities how to get to this site. When you're at the app, you go to the menu on the left side, go fully down and click on Contact Amazon. When you're on the website, you can go down, click on help, then go to more help, then contact us, or you can directly invoke this website, amazon.com/gp/help/customer/contact us, and you will get to this site, and it's looking very similar everywhere. You have always the possibility to go through your order to go to contact or chat. So usually that's when you click on return or replace or ask product question, then you are also redirected to the help. So but the problem is then when you click on this start chatting now, you are still in some kind of automatic artificial intelligent thing where they want to try to give you some help. But I mean, of course, they cannot talk about the product. They can't give you real information. They are just trying to tell you, yeah, if you're having problems, return it or do this, but not real specific information. So usually it's useless and you want to talk to a real person. So this is how to get to a real person. There are basically two things which you have to write into the chat to go to get a real person. So I mean, this is just the normal assistance here. Yeah, it says it's Amazon messaging assistant again, and yeah, I needed two things to tell them. First thing I told them, need to talk to a real person, okay? And then they are still trying to redirect you to the phone system, where you again have to tell them the order number, and then you have to identify you through 10 different things, like birth date of your grandmother, and all these silly things which are really not needed, and you don't have something like in a written form. So I told them, no, I don't want to go with the phone call. And then they asked, so what can I help you with? And then I was writing need assistance through chat. Yeah, I was writing it wrong. I was a little bit in a rush, but they still have been able to understand me. And a couple of seconds later, I was connected to a real person, and then they were able to help me. So this is like in the old days, like a couple of years ago when we directly went into chat. So this is how to get a real person in the chat. And that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, please let me know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.